Me need 3 fag, 2 food week, dog. 12 spliff a roll for the day when me feel calm. But if me no feel calm, do the maths real fast. Vibes kitchen at the place where me speed on. Cook, give me on any boy. Me can't get the right food no matter how me try. Vibes of the recipe, everything me like. A mad thing when Stella make the fire light. Me pocket fully charged, touch the road, our time. Lace up me clocks, food fast, brain paranoid. The YouTube channel active, you fit.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. So for this video, I'm just gonna share a video of me going hiking for the first time. It's actually not half bad. So if you were thinking about hiking, you weren't sure if you should give it a shot. Now I'm telling you, you can give it a shot. It's not that bad. You just have to make sure whatever trail you're planning on going on, it's not one that's for experienced people. Because the one we were on, you get a good workout, you climb hills and stuff like that, but still it was simple. So it wasn't something where you were gonna be up there dying, you know what I'm saying? Because if you listen in the video, I kept the pace the whole time. I wasn't really tired or anything. The only thing on the weekend, my legs were a little bit sore, but that's it. I would definitely do it again. So if you want to go hiking, give it a shot. It ain't bad. But what I want to share with y'all is how ID channel, cold case files, and all that stuff can turn you into an idiot. When you watch that stuff all the time, and I watch it a lot, it'll turn you into an idiot. Because we were hiking and we stopped for pictures and videos. Now the whole time I was either in the front or in the middle. Don't even make no sense how I was in the front, and I was the only one there who has never gone hiking before. Everybody done it before, but somehow my happy behind ended up in front. Whatever. So I was between front and middle the whole time. So we stopped to take pictures, videos. Next thing I know, I ended up in the back. Why for that? I was the last person in line. So it was about 6 or so of us. So I was the last person. And immediately I started thinking, you know, a lot of those people on the ID channel, when they disappear in the woods or something like that, they were probably in the back and somebody grabbed them. So this is probably not the best spot for me to be in. So I need to find a way to go back up front or in the middle, because if they gonna grab somebody, it ain't gonna be me. Because I mean, it's wooded. You'll see in the video, it's a lot of woods. So even if somebody is lurking in the woods trying to grab you, probably ain't gonna see them. So my thing was, I'm not gonna be the last person, because they ain't gonna grab me. So as soon as we stopped again, I was like, yep, I'm ready to move off right up front. Because if they grab me, everybody behind me gonna see. But if I'm the last one, ain't nobody gonna see. I learned that from the ID channel and all that. You don't want to be the last person in the woods. You stick to the front or the middle, and that's what I did. And from that point on, I never ended up being the last person again, because I said, these woods are way too creepy for me to be the last person. So lesson to y'all, if y'all go hiking or go do whatever in the woods, make sure you ain't the last person. Okay? Hope y'all like this video.
Who? LT? Oh, he said no.
I got it last week. I just did the really last year.
Break down, always feel like I could break now, but I never let it take me to that place now. I won't ever let my thoughts get away now. I got better things to do, picking fate now. I just wanna be the best, call me great now. I don't know if I'm okay or insane now. I remember better days on the playground, hoping I can find my way to even when I'm feeling down. I fight, even when I don't know what is right. I'ma pick a side and I'ma take pride. I will decide my fate and I will never let them tell me who I am. If you try to shape me, I'll be damned. Planet on the ground is where I stand. Never give up, that was always the plan. It's so cold outside. I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside. I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold. Yeah. Everybody knows that I'm breaking down. Everybody knows I ain't faking now. Everybody knows my heart's vacant now. Yeah, she hates me now, I made mistakes but now I don't ever wanna be alone. I don't really ever feel at home. On my own, in the zone, that's the only way I know. Feeling low, about to blow back up. I won't ever let the doubt creep in. Gotta pop a couple more aspirin. I don't think I'll ever let you in. Easier to break it off as friends. I don't really understand myself. I don't really understand, need help. I don't wanna be left on the shelf. Couldn't even hear me if I yelled. It's so cold outside. I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside. I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold.
Vibes kitchen at the place where me there now. We get the nicest food when the fire out. The pepper hot, God know what a bread.